Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to write a business strategy for your business. Although creating a business strategy for a new company can be challenging, it is crucial to guarantee the achievement of your goal. A business strategy serves as a blueprint for your company, guiding decision-making and directing the allocation of resources. To get started, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of your company and its position in the market. This requires conducting market research to identify your target audience, your competitors, and potential customers. This study will offer insightful information that will assist you in creating a distinctive value proposition, or the advantage that your company offers to clients. Once you have a thorough understanding of your company, considering its position in the market, you can begin creating your company plan. Set definite, explicit goals and objectives. Set concrete, quantifiable, realistic, relevant, and time-bound goals for your company's objectives to serve as a guide for your actions. Decide who your target market is, who your potential consumers are, and what they need or desire. Utilize your market research to gain a thorough grasp of your target market's requirements. Then adjust your business plan to satisfy those requirements. Provide a distinctive value proposition. What sets your company apart from its rivals? And how will you give your clients benefits they can't get anywhere else? Create an effective value proposition that distinguishes your company different from the opposition. Make a marketing strategy. How will you advertise your firm to your target market? Create a thorough marketing strategy that incorporates strategies like advertising, public relations, social media, and content marketing. Describe your most important resources and skills. How will you use the resources and abilities you have at your disposal to accomplish your goals? Create a strategy to use your primary resources and abilities. After identifying them, create a financial strategy. How will you finance the venture and oversee your finances to ensure long-term viability? Create a budget, cash flow estimates, and a strategy for generating revenue as part of a financial plan. Make a strategy for tracking and evaluating progress. How will you monitor your development and make sure that you are on course to meet your objectives? By following these steps and routinely assessing and updating your business strategy, you can position your company for success. Create a plan for periodically measuring and monitoring your progress and making adjustments as needed to stay on course. An effective business plan can aid in the formation of sound judgments. Attain your objectives by wisely allocating your resources.